In this video, we'll show you how to use ISL Lite's black screen or curtain mode to protect your privacy during remote sessions. If we are accessing a remote computer and need to prevent the other party from seeing sensitive information, we can enable black screen. Simply go to the Tools menu in the ISL Lite toolbar and select Black Screen Curtain Mode. This will cause the remote side screen to turn black, along with a displayed message saying that a remote user is working on their computer. We can confirm that black screen has been successfully enabled, as indicated by the text in the status bar in the lower right corner of ISL Lite. To disable black screen, uncheck the black screen option from the Tools menu. Another important thing to mention is that the remote side still has control of the running session. They can always stop black screen by pressing the Escape key. After a few seconds have passed, the remote side screen will go back to normal. As we can see here on the operator side, the black screen text is no longer displayed, meaning that the feature has been successfully disabled. We can also set black screen to be applied from the start of the session. So let's return to the dashboard, go to the Computers tab, select the computer we will be working on, click Show Options, and check Enable Black Screen. Once we click Connect, we will be able to view and control the remote computer with black screen already enabled. Now to clarify the options we just applied, the options will be saved for our user only and for all computers we have in our list. So if we go back to the Computers tab, select another computer, and expand the options, we can see here that black screen is applied. In case we would like black screen enabled by default for that particular computer in our list, we can connect to that computer and open the ISL Always On settings. We can then select Desktop Sharing, check Enable Black Screen when session starts, and click Save. From now on, every connection made to this computer will have black screen enabled right at the very start. If we are sharing the computer with other remote users, this setting will apply to them as well. For different settings for individual remote users, we can select Change from the Remote User dropdown and configure the desired settings accordingly. Upon clicking Save, the black screen in this case will be set for that specific user. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.